Hey folks, Alan here from LearnKoreanFast.com, and in this video we're going to take a couple of examples. We talked before a little bit about saying something is similar or something is the opposite, so I just want to give us a couple of examples of doing that because it's one of the best ways to improve and increase your vocabulary the quickest, and that is when you learn a new word, especially if it's a descriptive word. Then it's always good to try to learn the opposite at the same time, because then you're remembering them paired together. So it doesn't have to be opposites like tall, short, right? It can be hot, cold. Those are great. But it's also possible we could do that with city or country, right? So every time you're learning new vocabulary, whenever it's possible, try to get in the opposite of those, right? So we have some simple ones here, right? 좋다, 좋다. Fun word. I love this word. The pronunciation is so fun. 나쁘다, 나쁘다. So 나쁘다, 좋다, 나쁘다. Right? And if we're going to use this in the adjective form, we talked a little bit about that before, right? So 좋은 something, 좋은 것, 좋은 것, 좋은 말, right? And 나쁘다 becomes, anybody know? 나쁜, right? So 나쁜 것, 나쁜 말, right? Okay, so other opposites, 오다, 가다, right? Come, go. If you learn come, learn go. If you learn go, learn come, right? So we have, maybe I mentioned before, 비싸다, expensive, and 싸다, a little longer, that 상시et 싸다, 비싸다, 싸다, and the adjective form, 형용사, 비싼 것, and 싼 것, right? So great way to boost your vocabulary quickly and make it a lot easier for you to remember, because you actually spend more of your energy trying to remember which one is which, and that helps you that your brain just assumes we already remember what the other ones are, right? So it's a really, really good tip for improving your vocabulary quickly. I hope you find this helpful. Please click the links below to hit subscribe if you haven't done that already. Click like, give me a nice thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, right? Please share with your friends. Please check out the links below to LearnKoreanFast.com and to my books on Amazon, because it really does help me out and I really do appreciate it, right? 다음에 뵙시다.